Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. It is day 6 and it's our final full day in Vegas for part 1 of our trip before we head over to Arizona for the weekend. So today we haven't got a huge amount planned. We're going to head over to Aria this morning. We've got My Vegas 2-for-1 Posh Burger reward, so we're going to get 2 of the breakfast sandwiches there. And then this evening we're booked in at I think 6:30 to Holsteins in Cosmo, so we'll get a couple of burgers for dinner. In between that, we don't really have any plans for lunch or anything, or casinos. We're going to potter around. We'll head over to Bellagio. We'll probably make our way down to Treasure Island and Mirage. I believe they're not doing the tier match anymore and giving you any of the free credits, but we'll go down and check it out and ask. And then yeah, we're just going to potter around. Like I said, last full day, so we're not going to go wild. We're going to have a pretty chilled one. We've got a 4-hour drive tomorrow to Scottsdale, Phoenix, Arizona, so we're going to be up early. So yeah, it's going to be a pretty timid, calm day today. So I'll pick it up when we get down, either on the casino floor to do a quick $50 coffee run, or breakfast run I should say, and at Posh Burger. Alright, we're just on our way to Aria. Anyone else's partner, when they take photos or videos, always choose the most unflattering angles? For any of you watching these vlogs, if you watch any of the vlogs and you're thinking any of the clips, ooh, Russell doesn't look too good there, it looks a bit fatter there, and that's not a flattering angle, that'll be the ones that Emily filmed. She keeps saying the camera doesn't lie, and if you look like shit on camera, that's because you look like shit in real life.
Well, because that's what you always say to me when you take a bad photo of me. And you say, well, that's just that's what you look like.
Yeah, but I like to give it and not take it. Alright, so I made it to Aria. We completely forgot about the time and realised it's 11:15 and thought, oh, they might not do the breakfast. It might finish at 10, half 10. Luckily, it finishes at 11, so we just literally legged it to the MGM Rewards desks to get the vouchers loaded, and then we're gonna order. So I think we're getting a sausage, egg and cheese, a couple of drinks, the egg and avocado sandwich, and we've basically we've done 2 separate vouchers. So we're getting $40 for the cost price of $20. Alright, so just finished in Posh Burger, and again, another very strange experience. So we got 2 vouchers, we both went to 2 different checkouts. Emily went to the guy, I went to the girl. I ordered the sausage, egg and cheese sandwich with coffee and a soft drink. Should have come to about $30. Emily ordered the bacon, avocado and egg sandwich and tater tots. Hers came to $27. I came and sat down and got my little buzzer thing, and then Emily came and sat down and she gave me the receipt. And hers was effectively $17 because it's knocked off the $10. I then realised, hold on, I haven't paid. I said to Emily, she hasn't asked me for any money. It should have been like $20 still to pay. So then Emily said, oh, maybe she's misunderstood and she's taken it off the comp. Off our comp dollars that I've got on the account, because I've got about 120 comp dollars. So I thought, oh, that must be it. So of course I logged into the MGM app and got nowhere because it's still down. So no one can check anything. It's been 48 hours now.
I checked this morning, it was fine. I checked before.
Oh, mine's not been working. It must be coming in and out.
Yeah.
Loads of rumours flying around online about another hack, but I don't think it is. I think it's just maintenance. So I thought, well, I haven't paid. I said, that doesn't sit pretty with me. I'm not that type of person. I'd always do the right thing.
So I went over to the guy that Emily served, and the guy looked so discontent already. Like, so I just said, look, I said, I ordered some food, and I said, I used the My Vegas, and I said, I just realised that the lady hasn't charged me. And he kind of went, really? I went, yeah. So he went over to the other computer, and he logged in, and he went, oh yeah, she hasn't charged you. I said, okay, so what about the rest of the payment? And I had my credit card in my hand. And he just went, fuck it. I was like, really? He went, yeah, fuck it, it's free. I was like, okay. And then walked off. Like,
Thank you.
Thank you, yeah. That's never happened before. Like, but anyway, yeah, that's great. So we've had 2 sandwiches, a portion of tater tots, a coffee and a soft drink.
$17.
And it's cost $17.
Actually, no, it's cost nothing because that's room charge. It's on the...
Oh yeah, and that $17 is going to the room charge, which has been taken off our comp. So yeah, something that should have costed $25 hasn't cost us a penny or a cent. So yeah, thank you. So we're going to head over now to... Are we going to gamble in Aria? Or you want to head to Bellagio?
Bellagio, I think.
Alright, boss has spoken. We'll head to the Bellagio. Pick it up when we get there. Alright, so just waiting for the Aria Express, which is on its way. Escalator's closed. I've never seen an escalator that's like out of order or something wrong with it like this. I always think of Final Destination. Getting trapped in that and eaten up by the stairs and the machinery. A lovely thought for the morning. Anyway, the tram has arrived, so we're going to jump on this and head over to Bellagio. Alright, so we decided to head to Cosmo first. We're just taking the walkway over. Because we, so I think I said in an earlier vlog we were 300 points away from getting to the next tier. That was incorrect. Emily had the wrong information. She thought it was 3,000 points. It's 4,000 points. So we're now 700 away. So we're going to go do a bit more gambling in Cosmo to get up to the next level. And then we'll head back over the walkway into Bellagio. I just realised that today is the 29th of February. It's a leap year, which is supposed to be lucky. So hopefully it is lucky and brings us some decent wins. But it also means that everybody today who's working is working for free. Because typically you're paid for 365 days a year, and today is the 366th. So you ain't getting paid. I'm jobless at the moment, so I'm actually not technically losing out. Well, I say I'm jobless, I'm not jobless. I resigned from my role working with the Egyptian Saudi developers just before we came here. And I start a new role with a new company as soon as I get back from Vegas. That's what a way to get back from Vegas. Get back from Vegas and go straight into a new job. That's gonna be fun. Anyway, I'll pick it up when we get on the casino floor. Alright, we are playing Wealth of Coins. We're just putting in $40 each. I say that, we did this yesterday in Venetian and it lasted us pretty much the whole day, and we ended up with cashing out with 200. So, and then we came in Cosmo and lost it all. So hopefully we have a little bit better luck. Let's get that volume up. Never played this game before. It is quite big to start off with, so I'm not sure how much I'm going to be able to get in. We'll do 1 cent denomination, 88 cents a bet. Coins can obviously set off the bags. More. I wonder if you need 3 for the bonus. Is that? Yeah, so you need 3 of these for the bonus. Alright, decent start. That's a line hit on every single spin. $2.40. We'll come back if we get something. Alright, we're giving this game $20. We're not getting anything from it. So we've got 1 spin left. And then we'll move on to a different machine. Yep. Alright, off we pop. Alright, so we've moved on to one of our favourite games, BAM. You've got to play the 125 to get the BAM. It is quite a loud game, but it is a good game for maintaining. Oh well, it certainly was last time. So we'll do max bet $1.25. Let's see what we can get. You'll hopefully see when we get a couple of the BAMs. You watch, we won't get any BAMs at all now. Be bam gone home. Come on, one BAM at least, something. And we've jinxed it, saying this is a good game for maintaining, and now we haven't won anything. Last time we played it, we were getting like hits every single line. Alright, we'll come back if we get anything. Alright, of course, the next spin we landed 777s. It was a $5 win, so not bad. A little something. Oh. Alright, another 240. We'll come back if we get something. Now it's been a little bit more active now, which is good. Alright, every time we get a BAM, Emily's in the background going BAM, BAM, BAM. You watch. So as I said, we've been playing now for about 10 minutes and we have started to maintain a bit better than before. Nice, nice, go all the way. Oh, okay. And you can get decent line hits. There's another 294. You need 3 BAMs to set the bonus off. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Little coin show up above. I don't know why I'm doing this weird accent. Bam, bam, thank you very much, ma'am. $32. Nice. Gotta love a bit of Bam Bam. This Bam Bam's from Flintstones, isn't he? Bam Bam, isn't Bam Bam the correct me if I'm wrong, the baby in the Flintstones is Bam Bam? So yeah guys, this usually is a very good game to maintain, like I said. You get lots of pay lines. But no Bam Bams. Bam, 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 bam. $3.42. Up to 78. Bam. This is what we do. Every time we land one BAM with me. So, and this I only know about this game because when I went to Atlantic City, if you haven't watched the vlogs, do I still have them? I'm not sure maybe.
You removed them.
I removed them. Oh, actually, yeah, interesting. I removed my vlog because the HR director, or one of the HR people, tried to follow me on my roaming new routes and tried to watch the videos, and I just didn't want to mix personal, like my business side of things with my personal life, so I removed some of those vlogs because back then that was the only ones we had up. But yeah, I went to Atlantic City and there was a lady playing in Atlantic City, and she was playing this game, and whereas we're sat here going bam bam, she was screaming bam. And I just thought, she kept winning. She kept winning, and I thought that sounds like a good game. I'll play it, and then we found it in Cosmo. So now, whenever we come to Cosmo, we always play a little bit on Bam Bam. Nice. Yes, it's always very popular because, as you can see, it maintains well. So enough talking. We'll come back if we get a Bam Bam bonus. All right, we finally hit the Bam Bam bonus. It's a $5 scatter pay initially. Let's see what we can do. 12 free games. Oh, of course, now it goes quiet in the bonus. Right, line them up, line them up, line them up. All right, 3x. Up to $8. Well, we need to line these up. 3 for a retrigger. Drop some multipliers, line them up. Pretty quiet so far. It's usually a pretty good bonus this game. We have been getting a lot of good line hits, so I'm kind of not surprised the bonus is not great. Well, we need to get multiple multipliers and line up the symbols. We need 7s with multipliers. Bam, 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 bam. No. Multipliers. No. multipliers. Oh. Alright, last spin. Up to $10. We need something big here. Nope. Alright, that's actually a pretty poor bonus for Bam Bam after all that time. Takes us to 63.92. We'll probably play it down to maybe 50, and then I think we'll cash out.
Yeah.
We've had some good point collecting here for the last 20-30 minutes. So I'll pick it back up if we get anything else. Alright, we are on Dragon Link Golden Century. What I like about this game is these chairs, on the platforms, they're really nice and comfortable, and they go backwards and forwards. The only thing they need to do is they need to start making these chairs, so like these ones here on Jumanji that are fixed to the machines, you need to have them with the reclining back so that you can just like sit back and recline and sit here with a beer and just gamble away all day. So we've put in our $50 Tito, we cashed out of Bam Bam. We've been maintaining for about half an hour. So yeah, we're going to do a few spins on Golden Century, 1 cent denomination. We'll do $1 bets. Let's see what we can get. Get the volume up. Right, $2.20 hit to start. Looking for 3 flags or 6 of the orbs. Played a lot of Dragon Link, I have certainly. Oh my word, one more. Oh, look at those numbers, man. It's not very often that the mini is like one of the smallest numbers out of a 50, 2 15s, and a mini. That would have been a $94 start. Yeah, played a lot of Dragon Link this trip. I usually play a little bit, but not as much. But for some reason, I'm just had some good wins. I've been enjoying it, so that's what matters. Go on, one more. Ooh. I know a lot of people sometimes say, "Oh, people play the same games," but listen, if people enjoy playing those games, well, I don't see the problem. You've got just as much chance winning on one machine as you have whether you jump across, 5, 10, 15 different machines. Anyway, I'm babbling. I will pick it up if we get a bonus or a decent line hit. Oh, I just remembered we saw that NASCAR driver in here yesterday, didn't we? So we checked her yesterday. We know we did, because I didn't realise that when I saw him, that we checked on Google, and the NASCAR, I won't say rally, NASCAR race was in Vegas a couple of days ago, I believe. There was a tight finish, a photo finish with 3 cars crossing the line at pretty much exactly the same time. It made all the headlines. So I'm guessing there's probably quite a few of the drivers enjoying themselves in Sin City this week. Anyway, I'll pick it up if we get anything. Alright, we are in. We changed the denomination to 2 cent and hit it, and we got the mini for $20. So on 2 cent there is 8, about $31 or something. My brain was a bit slow then to do the maths. I always struggle, not struggle, but whenever it's not 1 cent, it's 2 cent and 5 cent, I always question myself on the numbers. So mini, like I said, is 20. Minor did fly by a couple of times in the normal game. Minor is 100. The major is 7.95. It would be nice to hit that. And the grand, 10,000. Come on, as they say, balls, balls, balls. Come on, fill them up. No, don't go dry. Last spin, save the day. Top right corner. Alright, you know what, can't complain. Puts us back up to about our original amount that we put in when we first came into Cosmo. Yep. So we started with 80, we're back up to 78.22. so we jump back on Dragon Link just because we noticed that Happy and Prosperous, also known as I call him, or as I said I was, Fat and Unhappy, has a maxed out major. So we'll start off with a few 1 cent or $1 bets, and as always we'll be chopping and changing throughout the denominations and the bet levels. Looking for 6 orbs, 3 pots. We'll come back if we get a decent line hit or a bonus. Alright, we jumped onto fortune bags. We didn't get anything on Happy and Prosperous, so we came away fat and unhappy again. $70 going in, 88 cents a bet. Looking to, ideally, we'd like to set up all 3 bonuses, that would be nice. Right, 250 hit. We'll come back if we get something. Alright, a little line hit. We were literally just saying we've never actually seen this top symbol land on a line hit. So we got aces, 10s, and whatever that is, $9.48. Alright, we hit the double games feature, 8 free games. Let's see what we can do. It is double screen, so we might not be able to get all of it in. Come on, land something. This is not a good start. Oh, wow. Drier than the desert. A line hit? Anything? Alright, we got a little something on aces. Aces across. Alright, this really, so far, is a pretty poor bonus. $6.35. There's only a 1 cent denom. Here we go. Finally, here comes the dragon. Line them up, buttercup. At the start. Right, we need good symbols. Right, that's not bad. $21. 2 spins left. Alright, last spin. Can we get over $30? Alright, 28.34 on fortune bags. Alright, we got a $20 line hit, nearly as much as the previous bonus. We'd said that we'd take it down to 80 or cash out over 100. So we'll do 4 backup spins, 5 backup spins, and cash out. Alright, we'll jump on another machine. Alright, we got a couple of games here, Phoenix free games. We're actually only going to do 60-cent bets because the free game numbers are better. And then after that, we're going to play a new Buffalo game that we've just spotted. Never seen that. It's Buffalo and Friends with More Chili, Cashman, and Wicked Winnings. So we'll just put $20 through Phoenix, and then we'll jump on the Buffalo game. Alright, so 1 cent denomination, 60 credits. Let's start it off with the old one-arm bandit. So I'm guessing we need 3 of them for the wheel bonus. Well, that's nice. Shame they weren't in as well. Alright, $4.20, not a bad hit. Nice land. Alright, seems to be paying. We'll come back if we get a really decent hit or the bonus. Alright, something's happening. That's the game, not me. We got the wheel. Nice. Step back and get it all in. Pretty much we've hit on every single, I think every single spin we have hit. So here we go. It's paying out. Must be hit by 15, so it's a good chance. 13 free games we know on? No, 5 free games, 5x. Alright. we go. Why am I filming the top, not the bottom? Amateur. Right, 160 just for 5x cherries. Nice. Land them. Come on, line up, line up, line up. Decent. $3. Cherries again. It's crazy that one cherry pays 160 and those 3 bars just paid not much more. Cherries again. Alright, not a great bonus, but considering we've literally just stepped on it, we've hit on every single spin. That's $9.60. So we'll do some backup spins. You want to try and land that 13 times 2, which it's got to be hit before 15, so I'd say it's pretty close to happening. And the machine is paying out, so let's see. Up to $100 now. Come on, 3 for the bonus. One more. Oh, we'll come back if we get something. Now I get the wheel. Alright, there we go. We got the wheel again. Alright, come on. 13 times 2, please. Alright, 9 free games at 5x. That's decent. Well, it has the potential to be decent. It also has the potential to be complete and utter garbage. Let's see what we're going to get. Multipliers. So we're down to $91. So this $10 that we've been playing in Bellagio has actually lasted us quite a decent amount of time. Alright, cherries. $3.90 for the cherries. Up to $10 on the bonus already, so that takes us back to our $100. And we got 5 games remaining. If you re-trigger with 3 bonuses, you get an additional 5 games. So after the Bellagio, we're going to head to... after Bellagio, we're going to head to Treasure Island and then up to Mirage. We haven't been in either of those for probably a couple of years now. Probably our February 2022 trip. Line up. And then we've got $25 in Venetian. So if we do get hungry and want a snack, we'll go and get something there. So $20 bonus. Not great, not bad. Puts us up $10. We'll continue spinning along. Ah, blocker. And we'll come back if we get something. Alright, so it just added 1 game to this, so it does say it must hit by 15, so I would say it's got to be due soon, but we all know that that could be there for the next 2 weeks. But we'll chase it, we'll do what we shouldn't do, and we're going to chase it a little bit. We're still up, so... Exactly, yeah. And we're winning, so why not? Alright, we'll come back if we do actually get the bonus or any other bonus. Alright, still playing down, trying to grab a drink. Gotta say, I think, we were just discussing this, I think Bellagio is probably the worst casino to get a drink. It always takes ages. It's the one casino that we can never get drinks in. I don't know if you guys or anyone who's watching has one casino where they just can't get a drink. But for us, it's always Bellagio. Impossible, no matter where we sit. Even when we can see...
Well, like yesterday I got a drink, but it takes like 20 minutes to get it.
I didn't even get one yesterday, I don't think. Right, we're going to play this down to 80. We've been on it for ages. And then we're going to play that Buffalo and Friends game that's behind us.
But the drink service in general has been real.
This trip, the drink service in general has been pretty good, but in Bellagio it's been pretty slow. Oh, we still cannot get them 14 red games. Keeps dropping the symbol, the red bonus symbol, but we can't line it up. Anyway, I'll come back either if we get a bonus on this or once we move over to Buffalo and Friends. All right, we got a bonus. Red. Oh, wow. What have we just won? Have we just won? No, that's $142 and $600.
We've won. Yeah, we've won both of them.
Oh my God, we've just set off.
What the hell?
What the hell have we just won? Is that handpay? It's a handpay.
No, it's 800. 800.
Oh my God.
What the hell? 60 cent bet.
Who needs the 14 free
I didn't
games?
do a short, but I'll take a picture. Sorry, no short.
Well, Phoenix, wow, what can I say? 60 cent bet, and we set off both bonuses. $891
if we're
win.
betting max, it would have been nicer.
If we'd bet max, we would have won 3,500. Wow, what a win. All right, well, that was a successful spin. I still can't believe that, seeing that just under $1,000. Wow. We are still chasing the 14 free games times 2. We're not going to put a huge amount through it now, but a 60 cent bet will continue. It has been paying and paying, so why not? Alright, we'll come back when we get something decent. Alright, we're not moving on. We are chasing them 14 free games. Don't care how long it takes. Come on. And then we'll get it and we'll win $20. And we'll walk off super happy because we've got 900 in the kitty. Yes! Finally! We got it. Alright. What a choice this machine has been. We wanted the free games and we got them. Plus 2 jackpots. Right. This will be the biggest anticlimax ever.
It will be, but so.
Here we go. Can we get up over $1,000? We put in 100. That'll be a 10x return. I just realised it's actually only 2x, so it's not actually that good. 14 times 2.
We were chasing them.
I know. I don't know why we were focused on that one when we had 5 games 5x. That's probably better.
Yeah, but so.
If it lines up though, it'll pay decent.
I didn't want to leave it like that.
Come on, let's get up over 1,000. We can cash it out and we can put away $500 in the kitty to take home. Still waiting for a drink.
No sign of
The Bellagio's been paying out for me. That's a $500 maxi and close to a $900 jackpot. But I cannot get a drink for love nor money. Right, 5 games to go. What is that noise? Is it the game? Like they're squawking.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to be a phoenix?
God knows.
Sounds more like a pigeon in distress. Alright, 4 games to go.
Yeah,
$8.92 after all that. Oh well, if we hadn't chased this, we would never have got the jackpot, so. I told you it would be an anticlimax and a disappointment. Last spin. Alright. $12.36, but we are leaving with $987.50.
Backup spin then.
Yeah, a couple of backup spins. And then we'll move on to Buffalo and Friends finally.
We'll cash this money up. Pay to 85 maybe. Nice round.
Yeah.
Then we can play the 85 and push on the rest.
Oh, just ruined our nice round number. But it's alright, we'll forgive you. Oh, 3 cents short. Alright, we are cashing out, moving on to Buffalo and Friends. Phoenix, it has been an almighty pleasure. Thank you very much.
We love you, Phoenix.
Alright, we have cashed out of Bellagio and are on our way to Treasure Island and then up to Mirage and across to Venetian. I'll pick it up when we get to Treasure Island.
Mirage is first.
Alright, I'll see. Sorry, Mirage is first. So I'll see you on Mirage, then Treasure Island, then Venetian. So I've just realised, Emily, do you know why that game was good to us?
Why?
Have a think.
Phoenix, is going to Phoenix, Arizona.
Phoenix, where are we going tomorrow? Phoenix, Arizona. Played the Phoenix game, boom. Alright, just making our way into Mirage. Gotta say, it's good to be back here. We came here in February 2023, and we expected it to be kind of closing down and renovating and turning into Hard Rock, so we didn't expect to be coming back. And then obviously in September, we were going to come here and tier match and get the $50 each the food and beverage credit, but obviously because of the hack, we weren't able to get to Pearl with MGM, so we weren't able to. But yeah, it's good to be back. Let me still see. Oh, doesn't smell the same. Doesn't smell the same. Oh yeah, could be smelling the Mexican, that's why. Everyone always says it smells of pina colada. I can't say I remember that, but... Oh, I know, I can smell it now. Yeah, it still smells like pina colada. I haven't been here for a long time. I stayed here actually. First time I came to Vegas, I think the first time I ever came to Vegas, I stayed here, which was probably either back in the late 80s or early 90s. I can't remember how old I was. So yeah, Mirage has always had a little place in my heart because it was obviously my first ever Vegas, kind of taste of Vegas. And I personally would be sad to see it go. I'm not that bothered about Hard Rock coming in. I would rather have had the Mirage here, to be perfectly honest with you. I know Vegas is always changing, but sometimes the old is better than the new. Alright, so we just went to the Players Club and asked. They said they are tier matching, but they're not offering anything. We said, what's the benefits of us to join? We're Pearl with MGM, and he said you get free parking. I was like, well, what's the point of that? And then we said, okay, what about new players? And he said, yeah, new players we've got an offer on, but it's only for Nevada residents. So I was like, well, there's no point in joining, so we've not bothered. Which it's quiet in here, and I think Hard Rock, I think a lot of places do this. They put an offer out, they tier match, everyone rushes to do it, and they think, oh great, you know, people will come and play, and then people don't. You know, people like us, we'll join for the bonus. We've got no interest in staying here long term. We'll stick with MGM unless they keep declining our offers, and we'll push forward with Venetian, Resorts World, Cosmo. But if you're not going to get anything, people aren't going to do it, and it's quiet now.
They said new players get a chance
Yeah,
to win
something.
$5,000,
$5 or a spin for 5,000. Like, give something to players, because otherwise people aren't going to be loyal, and they're not going to switch over. So we might put a little bit in here just for kind of memory's sake. But yeah, a little bit disappointed. Oh, look at that, the timing. As soon as we walk up, tram arrives. Lovely. Alright, so we signed up. So there's 2 different offers on. One is for 7 days, depending on how many points earned, you get a bonus. And the second one, which is today, you get a free spin. Swipe your new card for all new customers, and you might win some free play, or you'll win double points.
Ready?
Alright, so Emily's doing hers. See if she gets anything.
Free play, please.
Alright, she got the 2x point multiplier, but that doesn't count towards the points to get the free play. Alright, my turn. See what we get. I'm guessing 2x multiplier. Yeah. Alright, so we're playing some of the old school games. We found a Texas T, the Texas Oil Rig Tycoon game. We got $20 in. Wow, Emily hit the bonus. Why is it not working? I'll be back. Alright, we figured it out. The denomination was stuck, but we've managed to change it. We ended up doing a $2.50 bet, I think. But now we're on a 90-cent bet, so let's see what we can do. I like these old school machines that have the comfy armrests on them, because you can they're good for vlogging actually. So I've never played this game before. Don't know what we need to set the bonus off. I think maybe it's 3 of those Texas T or oil rigs all the way across. No idea. Maybe we should do the C pays and see what it says. Okay, so Texas T is a symbol. So we need 5 of okay, oil bonus. Yeah, right, got it. So we need the oil rigs across. Right, all the way? Nope. So Emily put money in hers, just $20. So I think she did 1 spin or 2 spins and hit the bonus. She's now up to $39. Okay, we got something. Seems to be going up for a while. So $3.60 a line hit. Not bad. We just ordered beers as well, like Treasure Island. Sat down at the first machine, and within 10 seconds, the drinks lady came over and took our order. Alright, I'll come back if we get something decent. Alright, so we were literally just playing this game to figure out the points. And it pretty much looks like it's a $1 per point. Emily's got 22 points already. I've got 14 points. I've just hit a $10 line hit, taking me back up to $17. We just put 20 in each, so what we're going to do is, we're going to play this until we get the 100 points, and then we'll go and do the free play spin. And our drinks just arrived. Emily's on the Coors Light, Miller Light, sorry. I'm on the cider. They've only got Angry Orchard, first cider of the trip. Haven't been able to get any decent cider anywhere, including in Walmart. Hopefully they'll have some nice ciders in Phoenix and Scottsdale. Alright, we'll keep spinning down. Alright, the screen is shaking and we hit the bonus. I've got to say, this game is great. We're literally hitting...
Congratulations!
We're literally getting line hits on every single spin.
Only one there per region.
Alright, let's choose a region. Well, I know Texas a little bit. I don't know it hugely, but we're going to go for... Guessing that's Dallas, Fort Worth, and Austin.
Pick another region, partner.
Is it picking? Let's pick those two. And then let's go for
Pick another region.
closest to Vegas.
Then start drilling.
Let's see what we get. My geography's terrible, so that might be any Texans might be watching this going, that's terribly off. I think Dallas and Austin is around this section. No idea what's up here. Alright, 270, not bad. Fill them up.
420.
Oh, still going. Alright, nice.
Keep it coming, y'all.
Alright, well this has turned into a decent little spin. We just put $20 in to get a drink and suss out the tier points. We've already got 21 points. We were up to $21 already, and we've now hit the bonus. So $8.50 takes us up to $30. Can't complain. Oh, is he throwing some more money out? What a fan. I love it. Brilliant game. Ooh, we should have chose the top ones. Anyway, what I also like is when it's counting up, if you hit the repeat button, maybe it only does it on the normal spins. If you hit the repeat the bet button when you win, I'll try and show you now. We get a line hit, there we go. So if you hit the button, it speeds it up, so you don't have to wait till the end. Alright, I'll come back if we get anything else. Oh, can we do it again? Did we just hit the bonus again? Or is it a random award? It says you need to hit 5. No, must be a random award. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so after that long run, I've been here for about half an hour playing this game. Just used up my $20. Emily got to her 100 as she went on the machine, so she did the 50 points and got $10, and then she did the she did the 50 points and got $10, then she did the 100 tier points and got an additional $20. So she's got, so she put in 40. She put in 40, she's still got 40, but now she's got a $30 free play. I'm $20 down and still to hit my 100 points. Alright, so we moved on to a machine I haven't seen, a Lucky Buddha. We did 60-cent bets, and on the second spin we hit the bonus. Let's see what we're going to win. I don't know what that means. I'm guessing it removes them. Okay, so do we start or do we keep spinning? Oh, we start, okay. So we want to land the Buddhas, which are 7x for the next 7 games. These are the multipliers, effectively. 7x for the Buddha, A's for the 3x, K's, 2 games remaining for 3x, and Q's. So this could be quite an interesting... Oh wait, that wasn't a bonus. Oh. Wasn't a bonus. Okay, never mind then. So in the bonus you can win the minis, the progressives, or you can just add to this level up here. So yeah, okay, let's see. This should be interesting because now every single one is full. So let's see what we get. We need to line them up. Doesn't count, doesn't matter if you don't line them up. Unfortunately, we're not lining anything up. Alright, we'll come back if we get something. Alright, so we haven't really been landing any line hits, but when you do land them and you have the multipliers, they add up. So that line hit was a $12 win. Puts us up the first time. Lucky Buddha is wild, and he's now activated the 3x multiplier. So this actually is quite an interesting game. It can be very, very good for the line hits. One more for the bonus, although it's not really a bonus. Alright, we'll find out from Emily live how much money she just made. So that is at your $40 with your free play up to 60. So you're effectively $20 up.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's definitely worth coming in here.
Yeah, definitely worth coming in because I mean we've put it smells like they've got the scent is literally a pirate ship from the 1200s. It smells a little bit of sweat, rum, and seawater and fish. So yeah, it's authentic. We like it. I like these old casinos. And yeah, I mean, Emily's put in $20-30 and managed to get an additional $30 in free play. Alright, so we hit the 100 points. So we'll go through the 2 promotions. New member 50 points promotion. Apparently this can be absolutely anything. Pick a card. Alright, we won $5 free slot play. The minimum. Emily won $10. Emily always seems to do better than me on the free slot play choices.
Might get more on this one.
You might. Well, the minimum is 20, so we're guaranteed 25, I believe. Yes. Minimum is 20 here. Oh, I didn't even touch it. Oh, alright. What are we going to get? 20? 25?
You got the same
Oh,
as
so
me.
I got the same as Emily. Oh, good. $30, here we go. There you go, there you go. Alright, so we've been in Treasure Island now for about an hour. We only put $20 in, like I said. We got the free play. I turned my free play into $2.20. So we're cashing out our original 20s, so both of us are break even, which is great.
No, I put 40 and I got $20 profit.
Oh, so sorry, Emily's $20 profit and I'm break even, so can't complain. Alright, we are heading out of Treasure Island. That was a really, really enjoyable hour, gotta say. If you haven't signed up, get in, get the player's card, get signed up, spend $20, $30 and then win another $30 in free play. So we are going to head over now to the Venetian and do some more gambling over there. And then we're going to slowly start making our way, it's 3 o'clock, slowly make our way back to Cosmo for our 6:30 reservation at Holsteins. Sausage, meatballs, pepperoni, very, very nice. Alright, first machine in Cosmo is a Wild Explosion.
That's got to be a mistake.
Yeah, we just noticed that the Mini is $256 and the Minor's only $82. And the Mini's only not far off half of the Major. Wow. Alright, I've never wanted a Mini more than I do now. Oh, alright, sorry, we just ordered a drink. Yeah, so that Mini is very high. So we just put that $40 in at the moment that we got left over from Bellagio. We shall do, well, yeah, Wild Explosion is on 100 credits, so we'll do $1 bets. It's obviously a very large machine, so it's very difficult to get the whole thing in. Let me zoom out a little bit. There we go. Alright, so far pretty quiet. Not landed a single thing. This is why the Mini is $256. Alright, a little something something. $2.75. Yeah, so we'll watch these explode and then we'll come back. Alright. Nice little hit there. $4.90. We'll come back if we get something decent. No wonder the Mini's 256. This game is garbage. All them wilds and not a single line hit. And the jackpot chance. Oh well. We're waiting for a drink. Once she comes, I think we'll move on. I think that 256 Mini is there for a reason. It's going to be a long time before anyone wins it. We'll give it a go, but not holding my breath. Alright, so I ordered a cider. I said that very Somerset English, can't eat. And I said, is it Angry Orchard? She said no. I was like, okay, good, whatever it is, just send it. It's Samuel Smith's organic cider. Oh, it's actually a British cider. It's from UK. Oh, nice. Oh, yes. Oh, that's a nice one, actually. Oh, that is nice. Do you want to try it, Em? Give us your cider critique in your best Somerset accent.
It's like bloody apple ties, I know.
Yeah, it's nice. It's like Somersby. It's very easy to drink. Ooh, lovely. Yeah, tart. I was calling the cider tart, not her, by the way. And for our American viewers, a tart is not a pie. Google it. So this is how well I know my wife. We were playing on Wild Explosion. Right, so what I was saying was, this is how well I know my wife. We were on that machine, and she said, I want to do solo gambling. And she wants to do solo gambling. And I said, I know you're just going to go back on that machine and play play and try and win the minor, the mini. $3. And she said, no, I'm not going to play on that machine. So she went to the one next door, but it's still got the same mini, 256. I knew she'd do that. There she is, look. Little sneaky. Not again. She will not give up until she tries to win that $256 mini. However, I am just as bad, although I'm low rolling. I am trying to get that $49 minor that's been here for ages on this machine, and we can't land. So I'll come back. Who's going to get the bonus first? The jackpot. Is it me on the minor or is it Emily on the mini? Alright, we're in Cosmo. I put $100 in and won Sweet FA. It just went straight down like a lead balloon. So we've come back to do some couple gambling. We found a great waitress in Cosmo. Tip her $5 a time and she's just bringing them over. She's finding us wherever we are. So Emily's on the amaretto sours, I'm on the raspberry lemon drop. Cheers, let's hope for some wins this evening. Can't beat a raspberry lemon drop. Right, so we are leaving Cosmo. Well, I say we're leaving Cosmo, we're not leaving Cosmo, we're leaving Cosmo Casino floor. We're going to Holsteins for dinner. And I just want to say, I suffer a lot with my nose and my throat in the casinos usually. And, you know, quite often if I'm blowing my nose or anything, I see quite a lot of blood because of the smoke and the dry atmosphere. And that happened the first couple of days in Vegas. And then when I went to Walmart, I purchased one of these. And I have to say, I've been using it probably once or twice a day. Since then, I've had absolutely no issues. I've still got a little bit of a dry nose, but I've had zero blood when I blow my nose. So if you do suffer from a dry nose or any issues, then invest in this. It was about $2, got it from Walmart, and it's absolutely brilliant. It's just a saline solution. Alright, so we had checked the menu before we came and it has changed slightly. So we're going to mix things up. Emily's going to go for the gold standard, a nice simple burger. And of course, as a mushroom and a truffle lover, I am going for the Billionaire burger with foie gras, prime beef blend, provolone, mushrooms, onion marmalade, pork reduction, crispy onions, arugula, and truffle pate. Sounds absolutely lovely. So we're getting that. We're getting a Caesar salad to start, and we're going to get some crispy onion rings. And then for drinks, I'm going for the Craft House rotating sour 7.8%. It says an explosion of watermelon and a splash of lime. And Emily is going for Holsteins Special Hefeweizen. Oh, just a special lager. Emily's going for the plain, simple, boring option. Alright, review of Holsteins, or Holstein, don't know how you say it. All I know is it's a type of, a breed of cow. Okay, review. A little bit disappointed, gotta be honest. Had high expectations for this place. My burger was pretty good, Emily's not so good. So, start off with the Caesar salad. The Caesar salad was fine. The only comment I'd have was, and Emily had the same comment, quite dry. Wasn't really much dressing on it, which let it down. I had the Billionaire burger. It was a nice burger. I've got to say, both me and Emily said we're not a huge fan of their buns. They were a bit bready and a bit thick. Good burger has a good meat to bun ratio, and I felt like the bun was a little bit too big for the burger. That being said, mine was a nice burger. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. But when you're paying $38 for a burger, it should be at least an 8 out of 10. It should be a 9.5 out of 10. I can't say I tasted any foie gras in the burger. To me, it was a simple burger with mushrooms and truffle oil, which I've had a million times in Dubai or anywhere for $15, $20. So for $38 for a burger only, no sides, I can imagine if my dad watches this video, he's going to go, $38 for a bloody burger with no bloody fries. Yeah, expensive for what it was. Emily's burger, so when we ordered, we both ordered our burgers medium, and the waiter, bless him, I think he was trying to be helpful. He kind of said, our medium is pink on the outside around the burger and raw with blood in the middle. And as soon as he said that, I thought, Emily's gonna go, I want medium well. And she ordered medium well. And medium well to us is probably more of a well done. It was dry as hell. So I appreciate he was trying to be helpful, but the one thing not to say as a server, and again, I've worked in restaurants, I've managed restaurants, never say there's blood. There's no blood in meat, there's no blood in a burger, there's no blood in steak. It's myoglobin, which is a protein, water and a protein, which makes a red liquid. So as soon as he said that, I thought Emily's gonna get sweet, she's gonna get put off and she's gonna order well done. She did. And to be honest, the burger was dry. It was very, very poor. I asked Emily for her rating and she said it was a 4 out of 10. Both burgers, I would say, I would have preferred to have the one at, what's the place?
Libertine Social.
Libertine Social. And that was a $15, $20 burger. We had a few days ago in Mandalay Bay, and that was better. For the cost, if it was a direct comparison to the gold standard burger that Emily had, it was better. Obviously, you can't compare it to the Billionaire burger because it's $38 and it's truffle and foie gras, but I would still have rather have had that than the Billionaire burger. So overall, it was okay. I'd give it a 7 or 10. Onion rings, again, quite dry. Yeah, to be honest, Emily said, we said the onion rings and Whataburger are better, and they are. And Emily said she actually would have preferred a Whataburger meal than that. So I think that says it all. Maybe we were unlucky. Maybe I've got very, very high standards. I do eat a lot of burgers. You probably figured that out on the vlogs, like every other day is a burger. So I do think I know my burgers and my steaks. I just eat meat all the time. That's it, literally. Don't eat greens.
No, you have salads or...
I like a salad, that's it. It's a good job I like a salad because I won't get any vegetables in me. Or fruit. What's fruit? Fruit, that's all. The only fruit I drink is in a liquid
Cocktail.
format. Yeah, grape, wine, and cider. Apples, there you go. 5 a day. Or more like 15 a day for me. Anyway, yeah, we're going to head back down onto the casino floor. I think we've only got to get about 150 points and then we're done for Cosmo, and then it'll be back to Park MGM and Nomad. Pick it up when we get on the floor. All right, we're on a Lightning Link Tiki Fire. This little tiki fucker took all my money yesterday. All right, we're on the Lightning Link. I'll do that again. All right, we're on Lightning Link. We're on Tiki Fire. We've got that $50 Tito. We've only got 300 points to get. I swear we said we've got 300 points like 10 times because of your miscalculation. We are doing one. Yeah, you said we only need 300 points to get to the next level. Anyone else? Any other couples argue like this? We do. Stop gambling my money. Sorry, our money. Right. Well, I'll start this whole vlog again now, shall I? Alright, we are. Alright, we're on a Lightning Link in the Cosmo. We did have $50. Emily spun down without me knowing. Yeah, drinks have been flowing, feeling the effects a little bit. We're on a 1 cent denom, $1 bet. Here we go. Looking for 6 orbs. What are you doing? Oh, bloody hell. I'm from T.Island. Alright, you know the drill. We'll come back if we get something. Don't know why I'm speaking like that. Alright, change the denomination to 2 cent, and 1 spin later we hit the bonus. Mini is $20, minor is 100, major 583 grand, 10,000. We said we weren't going to drink much today, but that went down the drain, didn't it? I think we'll still stick to the early night tonight. Well, oh wow, is that it? Wow. Alright, well that was a quick bonus. This machine is very, very loud. $18, bloody hell. Alright, we'll come back if we get something. Alright, we have been bouncing around for about an hour and a half with not much luck on a few different machines with Emily. We're doing some solo gambling. We're back on 88 fortunes. That minor is up to $51 now. Still trying to get it. I don't know why I'm on a man-made mission to get this minor. It's only $51, but it's bugging me. Anyway, we hit the free games bonus. So we need to close that pot. Someone's literally just won the mini. So we are going for the minor. Right, so far $5.30 win. Not much is happening. Not lining anything up. Right, that's a little something. $10. Come on, close the pot. Close the pot. I reckon if we close the pot now, it's definitely the minor, because it's only just paid out the mini. Right, another $5. 3 games remaining. Come on, let's get that wild symbol. Let's get a re-trigger. Let's get something. Chocolate fountains across the board. Up to 2280, respectable bonus. Alright, last spin. Oh no. Alright. Well, tops us back up to $31. We continue. For this machine, we had literally 60 cents left. I said, let's just whack it in 88 fortunes. We didn't have enough to do a 60. Well, we didn't have enough to do 88, but we did. No, we didn't even have enough to do 68. I think we had like 65 cents left here. We couldn't afford to get that. So we did a 38 cent bet. 38 cent bet, $7.50 win. We're going home. All right, we are leaving Cosmo. We were gambling away, drinking away. Then we realised we left this morning and we haven't actually been back to the hotel, and we haven't packed, we haven't done anything, and yeah, we're leaving at like 7 a.m. tomorrow. So we've been out for a long time, and yeah, we're heading back to Nomad Park MGM. Might do a little bit more gambling when we get there. Bed. We've got to pack, get ready, and head off to Arizona tomorrow. 4-hour drive. Alright, so I'm going to do the recap now. So, recap of today. We went to Posh Burger. We didn't get a free burger. So after MGM pulled the fingers out of their arse and got the MGM Rewards website fixed, we realised that she just took the $20 odd that was to be charged from my comps. So that's why the guy said, fuck it, was because he knew you'd already taken the money. That's me thinking we got a good deal. And then we potted around. Emily, you asked to what me, I can't even remember what we did. So we potted around, we went to Bellagio, we played a game, we might have done some 60-cent bets and got just a small bonus. Well, not even a bonus, small jackpot. So then we went to Mirage, tried to sign up there, got absolutely nothing, so pretty much left straight away, went to Treasure Island, tried to sign up there, got a good little deal on the tier points, did a bit of free play, went over to Venetian, did a few games in Venetian, didn't really hit anything. Then went back to Cosmo. We did a bit more gambling before Holsteins, or Holstein, whatever you call it. Nothing major to report. Holsteins, whatever. Yes, like I said, 7 out of 10, average. Emily was unlucky with the burger. And then finished the night off in Cosmo. A few good hits for me. Maintained, put in $40, $50, maintained that for about the last hour, an hour and a half. And so I am going back with 500, excuse me, $545. All thanks to that big hit in Bellagio. Otherwise I would be taking back very, very little. Emily has $550. Again, pretty much all thanks to the win in Bellagio. So yeah, that's pretty much the recap done. Tired, drunk, not the best way to do a recap. You know what? I might redo this back in the room. Why am I telling you that? So yeah, we are heading back now to get everything done and dusted so that we can try and get 6-7 hours sleep. And yes, I will do a recap when I get to the room and it's a bit more quieter and a bit more private. You know what? I've always wanted to do this. Oh, there's not enough people. Let me do it. Go on, dance. Yeah. Can I get a Hoya? Alright, recap time. Stop making me laugh.
Just say it.
Oh, it's another blooper. Alright, start again. Yeah, but you're watching me in a porn pose. What are you doing? I can't pull this out. I've got the giggles.
Russell, what put you?
Alright, recap time. I don't normally do recaps late at night, and there's a reason for that. So, well, basically we were sat in Cosmo gambling away, and then for some reason the penny dropped, and I thought, oh, hold on, we're going to Arizona tomorrow morning. We haven't been back to the room since 10 o'clock this morning. We haven't packed, we haven't done anything. So we thought, right, let's hot foot it out of Cosmo and get back to Nomad and get packed up, because we're on the road. Well, we'll be up at about 6 a.m. Tomorrow to get down to Phoenix in Arizona, move into our Airbnb and go watch Chris Stapleton. So, recap for today, tonight, this morning, this afternoon, whatever you call it. Not used to doing them on the same day. We started off with breakfast at Posh Burger, which is a strange name because it's not a Posh Burger at all. It's
Greasy.
It's not even greasy. Well, yeah, it was quite greasy actually. Yeah, very mediocre, very average. And what I thought was a free burger wasn't a free burger. The reason the guy said, "Oh, it's fine, fuck it," was because they'd already taken the $22 from my food and beverage comps that I've earned, or my slot dollars, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah, it wasn't free. I'd already paid for it. Anyway, kick in the teeth. So we potted around. We did some gambling in Cosmo, a little bit in Aria. We made our way down to Bellagio. We might have played a game and had a small win with a small bet. Nothing much to talk about. I'm terrible at winking. And then we moved down to Mirage, trying to get some free play and sign up at the Mirage, and basically got told you can get free parking. So hot-footed it out and went to Treasure Island. Signed up for Treasure Island and actually had a really good hour and a half, 2 hours in there. Great casino. Not so sure about that hotel. Smell, questionable, but incredible machines. Like, you've got machines that have been there for 20, 25 years that haven't been touched, still going strong. Good free play offers. You know, we've got the sign up is for 7 days, so from when you sign up you've got 7 days to earn different tiers. We hit the 50 and the 100 points straight away, and there's some really good kind of like bonuses and free play options and offers if you hit, you know, 200 and 500 and 1,000. So we might nip back there when we get back from Arizona, when we're in Fontainebleau, and do a little bit more gambling. After that we went to Venetian, did a little bit of gambling in Venetian, not a huge amount of wins, nothing major happened. Walked away back to Cosmo, did a bit of gambling in Cosmo before dinner. Again, nothing major, nothing great happened. Didn't film most of it. Went for Holsteins dinner, burgers. Yeah, so. Mine was pretty decent, but at $38, what's that in pounds now? I'm so out of touch with pounds, having left the UK 13 years ago. It's got to be, what, 30 quid for a burger with no fries? Pricey. And I'm not going to say piss poor, but pretty poor. Emily's burger, which was the standard, gold standard. It wasn't a gold, it was a bronze. Sorry. In fact, if it was at the Olympics, you might not have even got through the heats. Why are you giving me funny looks for? So yeah, then we did some gambling in the evening, and yeah, we got carried away the night. So here we are now, like 3 hours after finishing dinner, realizing that we haven't packed. So we're going to wrap up. This was our last night in Vegas for part 1. Obviously, we will be back to Vegas for 5 more nights. We're going to Arizona for 4 nights, 3 nights. Oh yes, yes, she's flashing all her cash at me. Yes, you've got more than me. I know. We'll do the recap in a minute. Yes, we will be back. We're going to Arizona for 3 or 4 nights. Can't remember.
3 nights.
Yeah, 3 nights. We're Friday night, Chris Stapleton tomorrow night. Then we're in an Airbnb in Phoenix, and then we're off to Flagstaff, staying in a hotel. Then we're back to Laughlin, and Perkins, more importantly, for a lemon meringue pie, and then back into Vegas, into Nomad again for 5 nights. So yeah, totals. I came back with $540. I put $400 away as soon as we won that big bonus. So I've really only, from today's budget, come back with $140 technically. So yeah, $540 in total. Emily has come back with $650? $620. So a little bit more than me. So she's finally put a good chunk in her little kitty to take back home. So yeah, a good day, a really good day. I'm not going to go on about it, but I still just can't believe we hit that bonus on a 60-cent bet. If it was a $5 bet, I'd be like, that's a good bonus still. But on a 60-cent bet, man, that's unheard of. And I'm so glad we did, because I know a lot of people are low rollers, a little bit like us. And it just kind of keeps that fire alive. It kind of makes you realise that you can actually still hit good wins and good bonuses on a 50-cent or a 40-cent or a 60-cent bet, or even an 88-cent bet. So yeah, that was a really nice surprise, especially having just hit $500 the day before or 2 days ago in Bellagio. So yeah, I'll wrap it up. Sorry?
Bellagio, best gambling, shittest drink service in the world.
Yeah, well, yeah, I don't know if the camera picked that up, but yeah, best gambling, terrible drink service. It's like for a 5-star hotel, waiting 45 minutes to an hour to try and get a drink. I don't know if we were in a bad section, there was no one around. Anyway, if you've made it this far, and you've actually made it through the whole travel day, day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then well done. We will be back. Well, no, I won't say we'll be back. You can please follow along with the journey through Arizona. Typically when we do these vlogs, we see a peak, obviously, in Vegas, and then a little bit of a dip in viewers when we're outside of Vegas. But please follow along. We still do vlog it, although they're not as long, and we're not doing any national parks, really, this trip. But hit like, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. And if you are only interested in Vegas, then we'll be back in 4 weeks, 1 month. And yeah, adios, good night. See you in a few weeks.